Hey gardeners, today I'm diving into the world of bitter gourd, also known as Mamordica carantia. This veggie might be bitter, but trust me, there are ways to tame its taste and make it a star in your garden and kitchen. First off, bitter gourd loves hot and humid climates. So, if you're somewhere warm, you're in luck. If not, no worries. You can still grow them in a greenhouse or during the summer months. Now, let's talk seeds. Bitter gourd seeds have a tough outer shell that needs some pre-treatment. Here's a tip: soak your seeds in warm water for about 24 hours. This softens the coating, making it easier for the seedlings to break through and germinate successfully. Once they're ready, plant them about ½ an inch deep in rich, well-drained soil. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged, and in a few weeks, you'll see those seedlings sprouting up. Now, when it comes to reducing the bitterness in your harvest, blanching is key. Slice your bitter gourd, remove the seeds and blanch in boiling water for a couple of minutes. This helps mellow out that intense bitterness. Remember, bitter gourd is super nutritious, packed with vitamins and minerals. Plus, it's a staple in South Asian cuisine, so give it a try and you might just find a new favorite veggie. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Doctree for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening.